that saying, don't work hard, work smart? It sounds really good, but what does it practically mean? And what I found throughout my practice as general counsel, as a lawyer at a Fortune 500 company, at numerous hot pre-IPO startups, at a big law, is that actually the winning combination is both working smart and working hard. And so how can you work smart? What is an example of working smart? So I find that document automation and document assembly is a really good example of working smart. Document assembly is an opportunity to automate contract generation, for example, using the pre-existing templates that you have approved, loved, and worked for you in the past. And what it allows you to do is, one, of course, you will go much faster. It definitely gives you that boost and increase in speed. It also decreases human errors because everything is automated. You're not relying on cutting and pasting. You're not relying on humans thinking, double checking, and sometimes being distracted. The number of human errors is definitely decreasing when you use document assembly. What I really find valuable is actually a peace of mind. Because by freeing up all this time, by automating, by not worrying about human errors, you really give yourself space to be more organized, be on top of things, and really pay attention to other parts of the business that require it. It really is a good way to help you, one, with contracts and documents, and two, it allows you to really focus your energy and have a much, much, much greater impact somewhere else.